Hello guys, so if you're looking to accept tickets on Vivid Seat, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place, because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly, after you have confirmed your booking on a venue, you will receive an email. So just simply check that email, and over there you will find the order number and the position of your ticket. So as you can see, it is placed and confirmed but not ready. Now don't panic, there is no issue. So firstly click on view order, then click on the venue, then click on the upcoming event. Now in some cases you might not get the ticket instantly because some of the venues holds the ticket until the very few days of the event. Now when the days will come close and you actually receive the ticket, you will again receive a email. So open the email, you will find the order number, and as you can see, it is now ready. So all you have to do is just simply scroll down, and over there you will find a clickable button which is access ticket from the app. Click on that, open the application, then go to the ticket section, click on your show, just simply click on view tickets, and there is a ticket. Now you don't need to print it out on a paper, all you need is your phone, so they will directly scan it from your phone. That's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.